So in this video, I'm going to show you my secret channel, which I managed to make a lot of money on. So as you know, a lot of people are using faceless channels to make a lot of money on YouTube. My secret channel is actually a faceless and a voiceless channel, meaning I don't need to show my face and I don't even need to speak on it, and yet I have managed to make tons of money on it. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes of this secret channel, show you my analytics, show you all the ways that I've managed to grow this channel, show you all the tools that I use to help grow this channel, including my overall lifetime views, which is actually over 10 million views. I've received 10 million views on this secret channel since I first made it. And in this month alone, I have received over 500,000 views on this secret channel, nearly 600,000 views. So I'm going to show you a compilation of the views I've been getting in a 48-hour period this month, or in the past 28 days. These are all the views that I've managed to get in 48 hours period. Right now, I'm at my lowest because I haven't posted in a while on this channel. Just since last week, I haven't posted on this channel, so my 48-hour views have decreased. These are my highest views. These are my videos with the highest views in order. And these are all the different ways people found my channel. YouTube will break it down for you how people found your channel, whether it's through search or recommendations or playlists. It is all right here for you to check how your channel is found.